$17 billion. That's how big the affiliate marketing industry is. And 16% of all global e-commerce sales happen through affiliates. Now, if that sounds like a small number, just remember that we're talking about trillions of dollars in sales. And it's funny how you and me just sitting here on a laptop can get a big piece of that pie. And the best way to do that is through affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, just to define and clarify the term itself, affiliate marketing should actually be called affiliate business that you promote using marketing, because it's a complete business model and it takes that time and effort to actually build a business versus the other videos and tutorials that might tell you that affiliate marketing is a make money quick scheme, because it's not. So just get ready to do all the hard work. So let's get started. So first, let's discuss what affiliate marketing is. So with affiliate marketing, you have a business, you create content or you drive traffic to your website, and then you can partner with other products or services and generate sales for them. So you are the affiliate and the product or service belongs to someone else. So you're basically running a business where you're selling other people's products and services. And when you make sales for these businesses, you make a revenue by the commission of the sale. So you might get a 10% or a 15% or a 20% commission on the sale that you make. Now, all these sales are tracked through the links, through the affiliate links that you put on your website or content, for example, videos, blogs, and articles. So here's how affiliate marketing works. You create content, you have a specific target audience that consumes this content, then you look for tools, products, and services that you can partner with. You partner with these products and services, then you get the affiliate links that you can place in your content. When the audience clicks on these links, their sale is tracked, and finally you get a commission on the sale. So over the past 10 years, I've used this exact same process to build an affiliate marketing business. And in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 steps that you can follow to step by step build an affiliate marketing business for yourself. So the first step of the process is to pick a niche. Now, when you pick a niche, just make sure that you focus on something that you're really interested in and you're passionate about, not just focus on something that's trending. So you might find that there are a lot of niche that are trending, but pick the one that you're really interested in. And this helps you build a business for the long term rather than just trying to make some money on the side in the short term. Remember that we are building a business here that can be scaled to thousands of dollars a month and not just trying to make a few $100 on the side. So some of the best niches that you can focus on could be fashion, could be lifestyle, could be travel, it could be make money online, work from home. These are different niches that you can focus on. I also recommend focus on specific educational content. You can also focus on SaaS products and online tools, which is the one that is my personal favorite. So once you've found your niche and the industry that you want to work with, you then want to define your target audience. And that's the second step of the process. So make sure that you understand who the person is that you're solving problems for. So shortlist the problems that your target audience faces and then eventually understand that you should be in a position to solve this problem. So let me give you an example. In my case, I work with a lot of e-commerce businesses, and one of the problems that they have when they're starting an e-commerce business is to decide which tool that they want to use. So let's say they might want to use Shopify or WooCommerce on WordPress or BigCommerce or Wix.com. There are so many options out there. So what I do is I can actually create a list post of the top 5 tools that they can use to start their own e-commerce business and then partner with these tools to add affiliate links to my blogs. And this is one of the most effective ways that once you can drive traffic to this list post, you can then convert that traffic to business through the commissions that you get paid from these tools. Now, since I've been working in e-commerce for a while, I already know what are the products that I can sell. However, for you, the next step in the process could be to actually find the product that you want to sell. So that's step 3 of the process. Now, there are different ways that you can find a product to sell with affiliate marketing. And if you're a beginner, if you're just starting out with affiliate marketing, I would recommend using websites such as ClickBank, such as JVZoo, and Commission Junction that you can use to find products. You can also find products on Amazon, which has a variety of products if you're just getting started. So if you've already been creating content online, or if you've been working as a freelancer online, then you can directly start with a platform like Share a Sale or Partner Stack. Now, these are 2 platforms that I've personally used in the past, and these are very effective to build relationships and apply for different affiliate programs. In the advanced phase, if you already have been working with a lot of different tools and brands directly, like what I personally do is I directly partner with brands like Shopify on their partner programs. So that's the third phase where you can actually directly make partnerships and brand connections. And this is where you eventually want to get to, even if you're a beginner as of today. So now we are on step 4 of the process, which is to showcase your products. Now, a lot of people might tell you that you can just start affiliate marketing by sending links to your friends and family. But remember, we are trying to build a scalable business here. So what you really need to do is actually set up an affiliate marketing website. Once you've got the hosting, you will also need a domain name and to map the domain and the hosting. Once you've got your domain name and your hosting, you need to start creating content. So to create content, the best platform that I recommend is WordPress. So just install WordPress, it's free to get started, and then you can create these list-based posts on your blog and website. And if you also make YouTube videos, that's great. You can embed those videos in the blog post, and this boosts engagement on your blogs as well as your videos. Now, the 5th step is to promote your products and to drive traffic. So to understand this, you need to first understand the marketing funnel. And how the marketing funnel looks like is that on the top of funnel, you need to get attention and you need people to click on your content. In the middle of funnel, you want people to be able to understand what are the different options that you're offering, so be actually able to consume your content and then eventually drive them to your affiliate links. And the final stage is the conversion stage, which in the case of affiliate marketing, you don't even have to do it yourself, because once people go to the affiliate link, it's the job of the businesses that you're partnering with to convert these people. So this is actually where the marketing aspect comes in. So affiliate marketing, like I said, is actually affiliate business, and marketing is the final step of the process. So here are a few different ways to do marketing for your affiliate business. So you can either drive traffic organically, or you can drive traffic using paid methods. If you're driving traffic organically, you can use social media, create content on social media, or you can also use SEO to actually build up your search rankings, focus on keyword optimizations, and write blog posts that are optimized for search. The best place that I recommend getting started is to look for keywords that are high volume but low competition. I highly recommend using SEMrush, as that's an all-in-one SEO tool that I personally use. So once you've found your keywords, you want to optimize your blog posts for these keywords. You also want to optimize your YouTube videos for these keywords. So you can use something like TubeBuddy to optimize your video descriptions and titles. Once you've got your organic efforts in place, you can also focus on paid marketing. So you can run social media ads or search ads to drive traffic to your blog or your content. So those are like the 2 broad categories that you can use to drive traffic, but you can also use other methods like influencers, like partnerships, like going on guest podcasts. There are many different ways that you can use to eventually drive traffic to your affiliate website. 2 of the best other methods that I use is to build a community. So I'm building a Facebook group as well as a Slack community of people who are interested in the same products as me, and then I can recommend them products to solve their specific problems. I would also recommend starting a newsletter so you can curate content and then place your affiliate links in that newsletter. So finally, it's all about the conversion rate and the click rate. So you want to send as many people, as much traffic from your content to the websites that you've partnered with. So those were the 5 steps that you can follow to get started with building your affiliate business. So all the best for starting your own affiliate business. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos on affiliate marketing, do let me know. Till then, all the best, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.